Hi everybody, it's Billy Lowe. It's really me. It is raining in Southern California, and there were 2 orders sitting on my desk that still had to go out today. And this is what it is. I didn't have an umbrella in the house. I hope this works. I'm getting soaking wet. Rain or shine, these orders have to go out. I am bundled up with 2 very special orders that somehow did not make today's batch. So I have to walk these down to the Beverly Hills post office. And I just wanted to show you what a day in the life of a Hollywood hairstylist is, as glamorous as it sounds. How does this work? We don't use umbrellas in California. Like having flat hair, it doesn't stay up. It needs root lift. I'll be walking in the rain, I guess. This is how it works in life sometimes. You have an umbrella that is folding on you. I don't know how they work anyway. But we got the orders out. That's all that matters. I'm not, maybe I did say, you don't push the button when you're trying to make it stay up. Okay, there's that. But we got the orders out. That's all that matters. Matters.